This is a 1953 Ford F100 pickup truck. Beautiful example. This was the 50th anniversary for Ford. They went all out with this one. This one has Ford-O-Matic, and you can see it's right there on the grill. It's the first year that Ford-O-Matic was available on the F100, and it's the last year for the flathead V8. Beautiful red paint. And there's the curved windshield. Hubcaps and wheel trim rings. And by the look of that upholstery, I would say this has been redone, and redone beautifully. There's the selector for the Ford-O-Matic. Along with all the assorted controls for the heater, lighter, etc. Remember when they had lighters in cars? And you can see there's no clutch pedal. 4 gauges there on the with the speedometer. And some separate gauges, maybe as a backup to the originals, or maybe in place of the originals. Big wide back window. And blue dot taillights. Chrome bumper here in the back. Push button door latches. Very nice. You'd be proud to drive along in this truck.